That is just, I mean, the donut's probably half the weight. The toppings are the other 3/4. That's how heavy it is. It's 1/2 and 3/4. Welcome to Donuts and Diners, the tastiest channel on YouTube. Today, we're in Louisville, Kentucky, and we are at this awesome place called Sugar and Spice. Now, I have heard that this is the best donut shop in Louisville. We're gonna find out, but look at this. Fresh donuts, come on in. Don't mind if I do. Let's check them out, come on. Guys, so I'm sitting here at the counter at Sugar and Spice. This is really neat. I don't think I've ever been in a donut shop that has its own counter. This is really cool. It's got the old like bar stool type seats. You can just belly up to the bar here. That's what I'm doing. It has chocolate and I see peanuts. Yeah?
It's a turtle.
It's a turtle? It looks like a donut to me.
It's a turtle.
It's a turtle. Okay, I see Funky Monkey back there. Tell me what's in the Funky Monkey?
The Funky Monkey has banana custard on the inside,
Banana custard.
crunchy peanut butter, and then drizzled in chocolate.
Banana custard, crunchy peanut butter, and drizzled in chocolate. I have to have one of those. Okay, I have to have a Funky Monkey. Too many choices. Too many choices. I think I'm gonna have to have an apple critter because every place has apple fritters, but not every place has an apple critter.
Hi, my name is Beth Banks, and I've worked at Sugar and Spice for about 7 years now.
We gotta have banana splits. We're going to banana splits. Oh, I can't wait for all these donuts. Okay guys, we got our donuts here. This is awesome. Look at this, the Sugar and Spice. We've got a whole dozen to take back to the rest of our family. They're gonna love those, but I don't want to eat those, take them away. But look, I got a whole half dozen here for me to try. And I want you to look at those donuts. That's not just your regular glazed donut or your regular chocolate covered donut. There's more toppings in this box than most donut shops have in their entire rack. This right here. This right here. I believe this one was the banana splits. Banana splits in a donut. All right, here we go. Oh, yes, yes. Oh, okay, there. I got the green filling that time. Oh, wow. That's really good. Okay. So, Sugar and Spice. You guys may wonder where they got that name, Sugar and Spice. Well, the original owners of Sugar and Spice, who opened up in 1982, it's still in the same family today. Well, the original owners, their 2 granddaughters, their favorite donuts, one of them was the cinnamon sugar donut. I have a cinnamon sugar donut hole. That's a good cinnamon sugar. Oh, yes, yes. That's where you get the name sugar. What kind of donut did you get today?
Chocolate cake.
You got a chocolate cake, and what's it got on top of it?
Sprinkles and chocolate.
It has sprinkles! Here we go. What was this one called? Let me remember. Okay, I have to have a Funky Monkey. If you need to hold your donuts, you need to keep them for a long period of time, you want to keep them fresh, you can buy a dozen assorted donuts here, frozen. Okay guys, any place can have an apple fritter, but not every place has an apple critter. An apple critter. I gotta be careful when I put my hand in this box. It is a critter, it might get me. Aww. Apple critter. All right. you guys to look in the center of that. Oh, it is. Oh. Oh, yes, yes. That is really good. Most apple fritters don't have that actually liquidy apple filling in the center. And that, oh, yes, yes. My wife will love the other half of this one. I'll save that back for her. We're not just having one bite. No. This whole thing's going down right now. It's going down right now. That's good. So, one granddaughter, sugar. The other granddaughter, the spice, her favorite was the cotton candy. I want you guys to look at this. Now, that's not just your normal old cotton candy. Now, I've got half a donut here. Wonder where the other half went. No matter. I think I can take care of this half myself. All right, let's try this thing out. Let's see what this is like. Oh. Okay. I see why Little Miss Spice really liked this donut. That thing is sweet. That's like eating a piece of cake. This is like icing on here. See, I can get it with my finger. That's like icing. And then with sprinkles on top. Oh, we're going with this one. I want you guys to look. Just look at the toppings. That is just, I mean, the donut's probably half the weight. The toppings are the other 3/4. That's how heavy it is. It's 1/2 and 3/4. That's more than a whole. Okay. Couple things. One, this donut just has so much flavor popping out. I mean, there's peanut butter, there's caramel, there's peanuts, a cream, and then you have the donut. But here's the other thing. These donuts are called a bar, and they're not as large as your normal, like what you would call like a Long John. So it fits in your mouth just perfectly. I mean, this thing, just take a perfect bite. And see, it's smaller, so you can eat more of them. And it's okay. It's just okay. I've got me something else here. I couldn't resist. Now anybody can have a chocolate muffin, just a chocolate muffin, but not here. Chocolate cheesecake muffin. All right, we're gonna try the chocolate cheesecake muffin. Chocolate cheesecake. That thing's moist. Oh. Okay, here we go. Big bite. So, imagine that you're eating a really good chocolate cake, and then you top it with a really good cheesecake. And that chocolate muffin is good just by itself, but then you add that cheesecake in. Oh, yes, yes. Chocolate cheesecake muffin. I just got the last one, so you're out of luck. Sugar and spice and everything nice. That's what this place is. Guys, if you're ever in Louisville, don't pass this place up. This place is awesome. All right, until next time, we'll see ya.